Who you gonna call about your home? Dial Shell Busey up on your phone.
Hi folks, welcome to my Shell Busey website, AskShell.com. Yes, we have made some changes. We've actually redesigned it to make it easier for you to navigate. And oh boy, I'll tell you, I would never leave out the OmBuseyMan Blog, because we'll be talking about new products. We'll be talking about how-tos, the how to, the what to, the where to, the why to, the when to, the who to. We've got all that information here on the new website. And I think you'll find it quite interesting. In fact, being that it's redesigned, and some of the items that were there for the last, say, 10 to 15 years, we've even restructured some of it as well. But you're going to find it very interesting. So please tell your friends once you've read this on Facebook, or maybe you're on the website right now. And if you are, then please take all the information down, because as you may know already, you can get in touch with me through the website, where you very simply click on Have a Question for Shell. And all you have to do is put the question down there, and I'll take care of it for you in one of the weekly blogs that you will be receiving here on the Facebook or on my website, and you'll find it very easy to navigate. But let me tell you some of the background. First of all, home tips. And the home tips are very important, because those are items that you're going to find that it's going to take, the odd purchase at building supply stores, paint stores, hardware stores, corner stores, you name it. But the information will be there. So I always say the how to, the what to, the where to, the why to, the when to, the who to, making it just that easy. But also we got home services to provide. Home services, very easy. If you need an electrician, if you need a plumber, you need a painter, need a roofer, whatever it is you're requiring. And also we have Shell Busey's home improvements, where you can have an addition built onto your home. You could have a deck built, new siding, new windows, new kitchen, new bathroom, and I can go on and on. But all that information's there, and who better to contact than the person that has good, better, best? Why worry about the rest? Because when the good is better, the better is best. And I rate those jobs that I have been making you aware of over the years on my AskShell.com, but now with the easier to navigate website, you'll find it even easier again, of all the different types of things that we will do for you. Also, did you know that the James Hardy siding, for an example, I was one responsible for bringing that product into Canada. Roxol insulation that you buy everywhere today, responsible for bringing that into Canada. Those are the items that I deal with, all the way from insulation products, roofing products, siding products, window products, all these items, doing that how to and who to get that job done properly around your home. New products, for example, you'll see new products being represented on the new website. And also questions. Any questions you have, send it to me. Don't forget my Shell Busey home cleaning formula. It's there. CV9, the window cleaner that you don't have to even squeegee anymore. Concrete cleaner, where you can take oil out of concrete. All these items are having links put to them that we will show you, I will show you how to do it, making it just that easy. So folks, tell your friends, and don't forget AskShell.com, because I will make it just that easy. Thanks for viewing tonight. Tomorrow, the next day, during the day, whatever. 24 hours a day, you can come into my AskShell.com. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now.